In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira Bulk Import CSV tool. If you need to create a lot of Jira issues at once, importing from a CSV file can save you a huge amount of time compared to entering everything manually. The key to making this process smooth is preparing your data carefully and then checking the results after the import is complete. First, prepare your CSV file. Start by creating a spreadsheet that contains all of your issue data. Common columns to include are summary, description, issue type, priority, assignee, due date, and labels. These fields give Jira the information it needs to create clear and organized issues. As you build the spreadsheet, make sure each row represents a single issue and keep your formatting consistent, especially for fields like dates and labels. Once everything looks correct, save the file in CSV format, since that is the file type Jira will use for the bulk import. Next, open the CSV import tool in Jira. Log into Jira using an administrator account because this feature usually requires admin access. Then go to Settings, select System, and open External System Import. From there, choose the CSV option. This takes you to the import workflow where Jira will guide you through the setup. Now upload your CSV file. Click Choose File, locate the CSV file you prepared, and select it. After the file is attached, click Next. Next to continue. At this point, Jira will begin reading the file structure so it can help you configure that import correctly. After that, choose your import settings. Select the Jira project where the issues should be created. Then review how Jira should handle important items like new issues, existing users, date formats, and issue relationships. This part matters because it determines how Jira interprets the data in your file. If your spreadsheet contains dates or assignees, double-check these settings so the import behaves the way you expect. When you are satisfied, click Next. The next step is mapping your CSV columns to Jira fields. This means telling Jira which column from your spreadsheet belongs to which Jira field. For example, summary should map to summary, task type to issue type, owner to assignee, and deadline to due date. Be sure to mark any required fields and review the mapping carefully before moving on. Accurate field mapping is one of the most important parts of the process because it directly affects how your imported issues will appear in Jira. Once the mapping is complete, review the import summary and click Begin Import. Jira will then start creating the issues from your file. Depending on the size of the import, this may take a little time, so wait for the process to finish. Finally, review the imported issues in your Jira project. Open the project and check that the titles, descriptions, assignees, priorities, and labels were imported correctly. This final review helps you catch any formatting or mapping issues early so your project stays clean